Crispy chicken wings on the Blackstone. One of my favorite things to make and show you how I make them crispy. I've showed you plenty of ways. Bear with me on this one because I promise you, you're gonna love it. I got Sean to love it, right?
Trust the process.
You gotta trust the process. These are pickle-brined, mayo-marinated chicken wings that are so good. Toss in some buffalo sauce. I know you're gonna love them, so let me show you how. Okay, you're here because you're trusting the process, and I promise these won't disappoint. Fresh wings in a storage bag with pickle juice. Juice from the cold refrigerated dill pickles is what you want. Drain them off, I won't show you because it's gross, and into a bowl they go to pat dry with paper towels. Pat them dry well. Duke's mayo. It's got that twang and it's my favorite. You just need enough to evenly coat these wings, adding garlic powder, paprika, and onion powder. You want to let these come to room temperature before cooking. The pickle juice brines them for fall off the bone chicken, and the mayo replaces the need for oil, since mayo is basically oil and an egg. It keeps them moist but creates beautifully perfect crispy skin. Low heat to start. I like to separate the flats and the drums, skin side down first to render the fat, basically just because I want to know how many flats there are because they're my favorite. Then give them a flip. They cook through quickly, but as we continue to let them go, we adjust the heat up every few minutes, keeping them moving until crispy to your liking. Key here is to get them into a metal bowl, tossing them with your favorite wing sauce. I've showed you guys so many different ways to do wings, from drying them out overnight with baking powder for delicious crispy naked wings. Videos galore are on the Blackstone YouTube channel, from my Old Bay wings to garlic parm wings. The guys have wing videos for you, but this way is definitely my favorite way for saucy restaurant style buffalo wings. Okay, now it's your guys' turn to make these at home. Pickle-brined, mayo-marinated buffalo wings in this vinegary buffalo sauce. Sean, are you a believer now?
Oh, I'm totally a believer.
See, trust the process. I'm telling you, you've got to try these at home. Post a picture when you do. We want to see. I especially want to see Sean making them at home. Thank you for filming with me today. I cannot wait to see you guys for another family style favorite in my next video. I forgot ranch. Ranch or blue cheese, which one are you?
Neither. Straight buffalo sauce.
Oh my God, I forgot ranch and blue cheese. I need ranch, it's a little bit spicy.